The global supplement industry is booming, projected to reach over $1 trillion by 2028. This staggering figure reflects the millions who rely on vitamins, minerals, herbs, and other supplements for better health. But behind the shiny labels and alluring promises lies a concerning truth. Most consumers are unaware of what's truly inside those capsules and powders. This blind trust in a multi-billion-dollar industry can have serious consequences. While some supplements undoubtedly offer benefits, others might contain hidden ingredients, contaminants, or even harmful substances. This lack of transparency underscores the critical need for consumer awareness and education. Your health, after all, is your most valuable asset. Supplements, unlike pharmaceutical drugs, aren't subject to the same rigorous testing and approval processes. This lack of stringent regulation means that the quality and safety of supplements can vary widely. This means the responsibility of ensuring safety and efficacy largely falls on the consumer. You need to be vigilant and proactive in your approach to choosing supplements. Understanding what's inside your supplements is crucial for several reasons. It's not just about knowing the ingredients, but also about understanding their sources and how they interact with your body. First, it allows you to make informed decisions about your health. Informed choices lead to better health outcomes and prevent potential adverse effects. By knowing the ingredients, their dosages, and potential side effects, you can choose supplements that align with your specific needs and avoid those that could be harmful. This knowledge helps you tailor your supplement intake to your personal health goals. Second, awareness empowers you to identify misleading claims and marketing ploys. Many products on the market make exaggerated promises that they can't deliver on. The supplement market is rife with products promising unrealistic results. Being informed helps you navigate this crowded space more effectively. Knowing what to look for on labels helps you differentiate between genuine benefits and empty hype. This discernment is key to making smart choices. Finally, understanding supplement content allows you to take control of your health. It's about being an active participant in your wellness journey. By being proactive and informed, you can ensure you're putting safe and effective products into your body, contributing to your overall well-being. This proactive approach leads to a healthier, more balanced life. One of the most significant concerns in the supplement industry is the prevalence of misleading labels. Manufacturers may use vague terms like proprietary blend to conceal the actual dosages of active ingredients. This lack of transparency makes it impossible to determine a product's potency or potential interactions with other medications. Adding to the concern is the risk of contamination. Supplements can be tainted with heavy metals, pesticides, bacteria, or other harmful substances during manufacturing. These contaminants can have serious health implications, especially with long-term use. The lack of stringent regulations in the supplement industry further exacerbates these issues. Unlike pharmaceuticals, which undergo rigorous testing and approval processes, supplements face minimal oversight. This lack of regulation creates a breeding ground for low-quality or even dangerous products to flood the market. Section 4. From Factory to Shelf. Unmasking the supplement manufacturing process. The journey of a supplement from the factory to your medicine cabinet involves multiple steps, each with potential pitfalls. Understanding this process is crucial in discerning high-quality supplements from inferior ones. The manufacturing process typically begins with sourcing raw materials. Reputable companies prioritize high-quality, sustainably sourced ingredients, while others may opt for cheaper, potentially contaminated sources. Next comes manufacturing, where ingredients are blended, encapsulated, and packaged. Stringent quality control measures are essential at this stage to prevent contamination and ensure accurate dosages. Unfortunately, not all manufacturers adhere to these standards. Finally, the finished products are distributed and sold. Reputable brands prioritize transparency, providing detailed information about their sourcing, manufacturing processes, and quality control measures. Section 5. Separating the sheep from the wolves, identifying trustworthy supplement brands. Navigating the vast and often confusing world of supplements requires a discerning eye and a bit of knowledge. Choosing the right brand can be the difference between enhancing your health and jeopardizing it. It's crucial to be well-informed. Here are key factors to consider. Look for third-party certifications. These certifications are a mark of quality and safety. Reputable organizations like USP, NSF, and Consumer Lab conduct independent testing to verify the quality and purity of supplements. Their seals are a good indicator of trust. Products bearing their seals have undergone rigorous testing for ingredient identity, potency, and contaminants. Research the brand thoroughly. Investigate the company's reputation, manufacturing practices, and commitment to transparency. This can often be found on their official website or through trusted reviews. Look for brands that openly share their sourcing, quality control measures, and testing protocols. Transparency is key in building trust. Read reviews carefully. While individual experiences can vary, paying attention to patterns in customer reviews can provide valuable insights into a brand's reliability and product effectiveness. Consistent positive feedback is a good sign. Consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Before starting any new supplement regimen, discuss it with your doctor, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Your doctor can provide guidance tailored to your specific health needs. Section 6. The Price of Deception: Shocking Truths About Supplement Ingredients and Their Impact. The lack of transparency and regulation in the supplement industry has led to some alarming discoveries that many consumers are unaware of. Studies have revealed shocking truths about the contents of certain supplements and their potential impact on health, raising serious concerns. Some products marketed for weight loss or muscle building have been found to contain unlisted prescription drugs, posing serious health risks to unsuspecting users. These hidden ingredients can interact dangerously with other medications or exacerbate existing health conditions, leading to potentially life-threatening situations. Furthermore, some herbal supplements have been found to contain plant species not listed on the label, some of which can be toxic and harmful to health. This substitution not only deceives consumers, but also highlights the potential dangers of unregulated ingredients, which can be quite severe. These findings underscore the importance of choosing supplements from reputable brands that prioritize transparency and rigorous testing to ensure safety. Your health is not worth gambling with. Always consult with healthcare professionals before starting any new supplement regimen. Section 7. Knowledge is power: Protecting your health in the supplement jungle. In the overwhelming world of supplements, knowledge is your most potent tool. By arming yourself with information, you can navigate this complex landscape and make informed decisions that support your health. Remember that supplements are not a magic bullet and should complement, not replace, a healthy lifestyle. Focus on a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management as the foundation of your well-being. Don't hesitate to question supplement claims, demand transparency from manufacturers, and prioritize your health above all else. Share this information with your loved ones and empower them to make informed choices too. Together, we can demand better transparency and accountability in the supplement industry, ensuring that what we put into our bodies truly supports our health and well-being.